My name's Chris Andrews and I'm here at the London School as a guest trainer, although guest and maybe soon to be more regular trainer, at the London Centre for Psychodrama, and we've just been running a weekend on role as an experience of self. And in terms of the workshop on the weekend, what was my experience? I'm here as a qualified sociodramatist and psychodrama and social drama trainer. As well as work, I also work within the NHS and have a private practice. But primarily, I think my role was here to bring an experience of sociodrama and sociodrama perspectives to the London Centre. Particularly, we focused on one-to-one work, so it was bringing very much a sense of how we can work with a notion of the wider system, wider role relationships within one-to-one work, and also how role training in particular can be used in terms of a social context rather than a therapeutic context. My experience of the weekend was I really enjoyed myself. I found the group of trainees really stimulating, enjoyable to be with, very creative, keen to learn but keen to participate and also explore the methods. Challenging at times, but challenging in the best ways, in terms of asking me questions I have to go away and read up about, but I guess also asking questions that feel really important within this method. And in terms of really understanding how psychodrama or sociodrama can help us both in our personal lives and our working lives and the wider world to really understand who we are and how we can manage things and how we can live a more fulfilled life. So it's a great experience. I really enjoyed it. If you want to join us for future psychodrama weekends or to come to the next weekend, then you can find us on our website for more information about the weekends that are run here or to join a weekend. The website address is www.londoncenterforpsychodrama.org. Go around and have a look and come and find out what it's all about.